Trailer wiring issues can be frustrating, especially when you're on the road and need all systems functioning correctly. Common problems like faulty lights, malfunctioning brakes, or inconsistent signals can cause delays, safety hazards, and even legal trouble if left unresolved. Understanding the most frequent wiring issues and how to troubleshoot them will save you time and help prevent potential mishaps. This guide will walk you through how to troubleshoot common trailer wiring issues and provide tips for quick fixes. A trailer's electrical system is relatively simple but crucial for its safe operation. The wiring connects your vehicle's power to the trailer's electrical components, such as lights, brakes, and turn signals. Over time, wear and tear, exposure to the elements, or poor installations can cause malfunctions. The most common trailer wiring issues include faulty connections, broken wires, corrosion, and grounding problems. Common trailer wiring problems. Lights not working. Trailer lights that don't work at all are among the most frequent problems encountered. This can be caused by a number of issues such as a blown fuse, bad ground, or loose or corroded connectors. Solution: start by checking the vehicle's fuses to ensure they haven't blown. Next, inspect the trailer wiring for any loose connections or corrosion at the plug or connectors. Make sure the ground wire is securely connected to a clean, rust-free area of the trailer's frame. Dim or flickering lights. Dim or flickering trailer lights often indicate a weak electrical connection, poor ground, or a failing power source. Solution: clean all the electrical connections and ensure that the ground wire has solid contact with the trailer frame. Tighten any loose connections and check the battery or power source to confirm it's providing adequate voltage. Brake lights or turn signals not working. If the brake lights or turn signals on your trailer aren't working, this could pose a major safety hazard. The issue is typically caused by a broken wire or bad connection in the trailer wiring harness. Solution: test the wiring harness with a multimeter to check for continuity. Replace any damaged wires or faulty connectors. Also, inspect the vehicle's wiring to ensure the signal is being properly transmitted to the trailer. Blown fuses. Blown fuses are often caused by a short circuit somewhere in the trailer's wiring, typically due to worn insulation or exposed wires touching the trailer's metal frame. Solution: carefully inspect all the wiring for cuts, fraying, or exposed sections. Replace damaged wires and add additional insulation if necessary. Always replace blown fuses with the correct amperage rating to avoid further electrical issues. Electrical shorts. Electrical shorts can occur when exposed wires touch the metal frame of the trailer, creating a direct path for electricity that bypasses the intended circuit. Solution: to locate the short, check the wires leading to each light and electrical component. Replace any frayed or damaged wires and secure them with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing. Weak or no ground. A weak or disconnected ground can cause all sorts of trailer wiring issues, from malfunctioning lights to inconsistent brake signals. Solution: ensure the ground wire from the trailer is connected to bare metal on the trailer frame. Clean any rust or corrosion from the grounding point and reattach the wire securely. Steps to diagnose and fix trailer wiring problems. Visual inspection. Start by looking for visible damage such as frayed wires, rusted connectors, or broken plugs. Test the plug. Use a multimeter to test the plug for power. Check each pin in the vehicle's wiring plug to see if it's sending the correct signal, brake, turn signal, etc., to the trailer. Check the ground. Make sure that the trailer's ground wire is properly connected to a clean, rust-free area on the trailer's frame. Test the continuity. Use the multimeter to check for continuity in the trailer's wiring. This will help you locate broken wires or bad connections. Replace or repair damaged wires. If you find damaged wires, strip the insulation off the ends with a wire stripper, crimp on new connectors, or use wire nuts to make a solid connection. When replacing wires, ensure you're using the appropriate wire gauge for the trailer's electrical needs. 16 GA, ideal for trailer lights, including marker and tail lights. 14GA, suitable for heavier loads like turn signals, brake lights, and backup lights. 12GA, recommended for electric brakes or any other higher power accessories. 10GA, used for the main power feed and larger systems, like battery charging or powering the trailer's electric systems. After making repairs, insulate the repaired wires with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing to protect them from the elements. Retest the system. After making repairs, reattach the plug and test the trailer lights, turn signals, and brakes to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Tips for preventing future wiring issues. Use weatherproof connectors. Moisture is the biggest enemy of trailer wiring. Using weatherproof connectors will help prevent corrosion. Regular inspections. Inspect your trailer wiring regularly for signs of wear, loose connections, or damage. Protect the wiring. If possible, run the wiring through protective conduit or along areas of the trailer where it is less likely to be damaged by road debris or contact with sharp objects. Keep connections clean. Clean the trailer plug and connectors with a wire brush or contact cleaner regularly to prevent corrosion. Conclusion. Troubleshooting trailer wiring problems is straightforward with the right tools and approach. The most common issues, like faulty lights, blown fuses, and bad grounds, can usually be resolved by inspecting and repairing connections, wires, and grounding points. By taking care of your trailer wiring system and performing regular maintenance, you'll avoid future headaches and ensure your trailer runs safely and efficiently.